If you have thin or fine textured hair, we recommend starting at the lowest heat setting on the Dyson Corrale, which is 165 degrees. This should be sufficient temperature to achieve the style that you would like. You can of course experiment with all the temperatures on your tool and see which one works best for you and the style that you'd like to create. So to select your temperature, just power on your Dyson Corrale using your power button, and then you're going to select the temperature using the plus and minus buttons, okay? So to select 165, just make sure it is highlighted here, and once you see that tick on the screen and hear that little noise, that means it's achieved that temperature and it's ready for you to start styling. So remember, you can visit dyson.ie if you have any more questions. You can video chat with an expert there, and you can also leave a comment below this video if you have any other demonstrations that you'd like to see.